Well, Naledi, we were expecting the matter to continue this morning, as you correctly pointed out, with the cross-examination by Advocate Charles Mnisi, that is the legal representative for accused number 3, for him to start cross-examination of the state's witness, Thwala, this morning. But once court proceedings got underway, we then noticed that the interpreter was not inside court, and the judge really raising eyebrows about that, saying this should not happen again. What we understood, this was after the legal representatives had gone to the chambers of the judge. After they returned, they indicated that the usual interpreter, who is part of this matter, could not come to the court, the Pretoria High Court, this morning due to unforeseen circumstances. We don't know what those unforeseen circumstances are, but the alternative that they sought to translate isiZulu was at the Palm Ridge Magistrates Court, which you would know is quite a distance from here. And it seems like that interpreter, the alternative, would only be able to get to the High Court here in Pretoria at about 1 o'clock this afternoon, which would have been extensive loss to the court's time today. So all of them are making a decision that they'd rather postpone the matter to tomorrow. And, the judge once again raising eyebrows that this should not happen again, saying that it should be seen to that all the presiding officers in this matter should be in attendance at court before the proceedings get underway. And indeed, Advocate Charles Mnisi was supposed to get underway with the cross-examination yesterday. Naledi, as I indicated earlier, Sipho Ramosepele, who was representing accused number 1 and 2, basically saying that everything that Thwala had told this court had been fabricated, and that the events that he told this court about were not in line with a real life situation. In that, questioning how long Thwala, who was the then boyfriend of Kelly Khumalo, who is Kelly Khumalo's sister, how he could have just pushed the armed alleged intruders that were inside the house on the day that Senzo Meyiwa was killed, and managed to flee without them trying to stop him. Questioning, why he had also fled to the neighbors' houses, also saying that the neighbors had deposed of statements saying that they'd heard of a commotion that had taken place at the Meyiwa home, at the home of Kelly Khumalo's mother. This was before the gunshots had gone off. So we were expecting cross-examination more towards that direction, in which the defense, of course, has always contended that there were no intruders inside the home of Kelly Khumalo's mother that day. And in fact, there might have been some scuffle that might have taken place inside that home that then led to the death of Senzo Meyiwa. So we were expecting very much the defense to continue on that trajectory, trying to point to the fact that there were no intruders inside the home. So we'll wait to see if tomorrow the proceedings do get underway, and of course Advocate Charles Mnisi would then be expected to begin that cross-examination of the state's witness.